Right. So in the last session, we have discussed about engineering management. Was the role of an engineering management role, right? So that part we have discussed in the last session. Wherein today we are going to discuss about the role of engineering manager, especially uh, from the development perspective, right? So from the management perspective, followed by the developments when we are implementing any solutions and all that. So when we try to understand about the engineering management role, which majorly uh, involved even project management, business management, operations management, all that. So apart from that, engineering management majorly responsible for the technical integrity of the project. It can be including the facility scope, which meets the business needs. At the same time, overall integrated technical solution and whatever the requirements to manage what are all the interfaces as well as the management of technical engineering quality deliverables. It can be design deliverables. It can be any kind of systems that we are using, whether it can be hardware or software. So everything will be part of engineering management. In this regard, so when trying to understand about the role of an engineering manager, where we must align with the team that is essentially required. It can be both functional as well as technical teams are concerned. So we must align to the technical teams. That is something required. Both functional as well as technical teams we must be aligned with. Next, scope of the facility, because we need to identify the scope of the facility. Because when we are developing IT solutions for any domain, irrespective of technology, irrespective of the domain and all, so we need to identify the scope of facility. Next, we need to create an engineering execution plan, right? So of implementing whatever the kind of solutions that we are managing, right? So engineering and execution plan. At the same time, identifying and assessing the amount of risk that is involved. So technical risk management. Okay. At the same time, whatever the kind of standards, policies, procedures, specifications, everything we must be detailed with. This is all something being a engineering manager, irrespective of technology, the domain I'm talking about. This is something one must be good and familiar with. And the next session, we are going to discuss about what must be the key responsibilities that being a engineering manager we need to perform. Either it can be leadership management, or it can be technical side, or it can be research and development, or it can be a project management side, or it can be a strategy contribution. Right. So those responsibilities and all everything that we're going to discuss in the next session.